What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Nina, and I'm so happy that you guys let me know that a lot of the skincare routine tips that I've shared over the years have really been working for you, and you've even changed some of them to really fit your own skin needs, and you're getting good results. That just makes me smile. Now, today I really wanted to share with you guys some of the weird but yet affordable things that I've used throughout the years that have helped my skin to glow. And a lot of times I don't think clearly about a lot of the things that I do because I'm so used to doing them. But today I want to point out some of those small things that we often forget that can help with our skin. Now, if you're more interested in a lot of the products I like to use and some of my skincare regimens all over my body, check out the links down below where I've linked all those videos for you. Also, I know some of these things can seem like common sense, but they would be a lot more common if we actually did them. Knowing and not doing is just as good as not knowing what to do. Also, if you have some really great tips that you've been using that have worked for you and help your skin to glow up, share them with us down below. And you know I'm going to say, if you're having major troubles with your skin, make sure you step in and go see your doctor. All items we talk about will be found down below in the information section. Let's get into it. And y'all, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it, comment, share, and subscribe. And also click on those notification bells so you can know when I upload on Thursdays and Sundays. Make sure you also check out my Now That's Life podcast, which is now live. And you can check it out on all your major podcasting platforms. Links to my podcast can be found down below in the information section. So many of you all know that I absolutely love intermittent fasting, and I do attribute a lot of my over 100-pound weight loss and keeping it off almost 15 years to intermittent fasting. I love something called the 16-8 protocol, and I explain and go into a lot of depth about intermittent fasting in some of my videos, and I've linked those down below for you guys. But basically, it's not only great for the waistline, it's also great for the skin. It really does help with cell regeneration as well, and it reboots, according to experts, the gut microbiome in your body. So it's also getting rid of and flushing a lot of the toxins that could be causing inflammation of the skin. So intermittent fasting might be something that's considered in order to keep your body in check so that your skin is able to glow freely. Y'all, next, I had to make sure that I was getting with the phytonutrients. These substances found in plants can do everything from protecting the skin all the way down to making it look even more flawless. They support skin complexion, color, and even the radiance, and it also helps us to fight off things in the environment that help our skin or make our skin look more dull or not as great as it could be. They also help to elevate our natural beauty and our glow. To reap the benefits, you can eat all the colors of the rainbows and fruits and vegetables and even spices that amp up a lot of these phytonutrients that our body needs. I placed a link down below for you guys just in case you want to know exactly what kinds of things carry the highest value in phytonutrients. Now, y'all know your girl loves to cook to get her nutrient boost in her day, but it's always nice to have some veggie-based items on hand that don't take as much time. I've shown y'all so many meals over the years, but I also love to have pre-portioned items on hand that make it easy for me to create meals without having to think too much, like the ones that you guys have seen me use from HelloFresh, who's partnered with me to bring you guys today's video. HelloFresh is America's #1 meal kit that delivers not only directions and instructions, but fresh ingredients direct to your door. The meals are sustainable and pre-portioned, making it less likely that you're going to overeat or that I overeat. And also, they make it less waste and prep time. The food is good and offers options like low calorie, veggie, and family meals as well. And I save so much time because each meal takes only 20 to 30 minutes. And I can change my delivery day, my preferences, and I can skip a week if I need to. Go to HelloFresh.com and use code DrNina10 for 10 free meals and free shipping. Y'all, I learned to do the most at night. I'm talking about skincare now, y'all. Come on. I think of the nighttime as the best time for me to be using my best products. I use a great cleanser every night, like a gentle cleanser. And I also use my gentle exfoliators as well as masks at night. And y'all know I also have snuck in a little bit of oil, like coconut oil, at the end of my moisturizing routine. And when I wake up in the morning, my skin feels so very soft. And this is why I also choose to use like my vitamin C serum, which is great for boosting collagen at night, because my skin is really regenerating and getting a lot of the benefits from those things that I use. I think of it as if my skin is having the time to rejuvenate without me interrupting it. I'm sleeping, I'm resting, and if I get the rest that I need, it really does have a longer period of time to sit on my face, as opposed to the day when you're going throughout the environment and your skincare is really coming off sometimes. Even if you have on makeup and things like that, you're weather beaten or you're beaten up by the elements of being somewhere else. So I love the nighttime for really getting the most benefits from my products. Now, another thing that I told you guys I've been beefing up and amping up on is taking probiotics, but I've been trying to do those at night as well. It seems like the best time is at night for me because my body is getting a break from digesting other food. And believe it or not, keeping that gut health together is a big part of having better skin, because when everything gets backed up in that gut and you're not cleansing properly and you're not eating properly, you need to make sure that you're laying down that groundwork in the gut for it to cleanse itself. That probiotic does so well with that. Y'all, the next thing I've had to learn to do is curb back on a lot of hair care products. I used to get breakouts along my forehead, my hairline, and even my cheeks. I realized that my hair care products were rubbing up against my face all day, and then if I didn't wash it, I was also transferring that onto my pillowcase, which was rubbing up against my body, my face, all of that, which can cause breakouts. And if your products are very thick and very oily, they can even clog your pores. So as y'all know, I try to look at options that are a bit more natural in terms of my hair care products, as well as low in the fragrance areas, no sulfates, no dyes, and those harsh chemicals. Y'all, being more gentle with my skin saved my life. And I'm talking all over my body. Your skin is your largest organ, and when it retaliates, you will know. I stopped washing my face and my body in a super rush because a lot of times I found myself just trying to scrub myself, my face, my body, everything, and I would end up irritated and bumpy. I also stopped tugging at my skin when I was trying to remove makeup or anything I had on my body. You have to take your time. I also stopped using harsh and drying products, especially just because they were popular or people said they worked, because a lot of times I was using stuff so much that it was irritating my skin, or I was switching up so much it was irritating my skin as well. And this goes without saying, I had to stop popping pimples as well. A lot of times when we're moving too fast with our skin, we just want it to be over right now. Whatever's going on, we won't take time with it. But the more time you take with your skin, and I'm not talking forever in a day, but even just a little bit of time, you'll be more patient with it. You'll also take better care of it. You'll notice the changes in it, and you'll also dedicate the time it takes in order to fix certain things. And let's just be honest, when you handle yourself with care, it shows. Y'all, I had to learn how to stop putting my hands all over my face. We touch our face all day, whether we bored, sitting in traffic, sitting at a desk, talking with a friend, you find yourself twirling all over your face. What I didn't think about was that germs and bacteria were also releasing into my skin just by me touching it. If you touch a doorknob, if you touch a wall, if you touch a desk, you're putting those germs right into your face. Once I quit the habit of touching all the time, I also cleared up my skin. And with that said, I also had to stop other people from touching my face all the time. With people touching my face, I noticed that I would get irritation or bumps or even just irritation anywhere where people have been touching. You know, it's not like they mean harmful things on you, but they might have something on their hands that you don't want. And especially with this new, coronavirus stuff going around, keep people off your face and keep yourself off your face. Another very important thing that I've done that might seem weird is I got rid of my stress in my life, and I try to keep that at a minimum. Stress is normal, it's natural. We're all gonna go through it. We're gonna have our highs and our lows, but we certainly end up seeing it in our skin. So lowering stress is very important because cortisol, the primary stress hormone, has been found to break down the collagen bonds in the skin. The higher the stress levels, the higher the cortisol levels. And the more that happens, the less your body regenerates that collagen and elasticity in the skin, making it look dry, dull, and age even more prematurely. So you want to watch it with the stress, the stressors, and the people around you that are stressing you out. Make sure that you're keeping that in check, and also with a healthy, balanced diet that can also help with that stress level. Another thing I like to do is either go makeup free or go light on the makeup when I definitely can. Now, I do love getting dolled up every morning. It's cute and all, but it's also great to give your skin a breather on occasion. Sometimes I don't even wear it on the weekends unless I'm going to church, or I simply make it a point to remove it as soon as I walk in the house. Even during the day, I don't just let it stay on until it's time to go to bed at night. This gives my skin some oxygen, which gives it some glow time. And this also gives us some time to wash those nasty brushes that we've been using on our face. Yeah, I'm talking to you. And I definitely wash my brushes, or try to, at least once a week thoroughly. And if you can't remember the last time you washed your brushes, get up and go do it after this video. I've had to learn that increasing the blood circulation also adds to a beautiful glow of the skin. Did you know that poor circulation of the blood leads to premature aging of the skin, which can also lead to blotchiness and uneven skin tone? When the blood flows through any part of your body, it carries oxygen, which gives it a nice flow and also allows the skin to breathe and rejuvenate. And this also helps to remove waste products. So some more natural ways that you can get that blood circulation flowing include doing any kind of aerobic exercise like cycling, jogging, getting on the treadmill, doing a little bit of walking, or things like that. Things that are just going to get that blood flow pumping and moving. This helps to dilate the blood vessels as well, which just gives that skin a nice overall tone and glow. Now, this one's a no-go for me, but doing a handstand, if you know how to do it, that actually helps to improve your circulation as well. Also, you can save your coins and get some regular facials going as well. I love these because my esthetician also takes a lot of time to massage my skin and make sure that circulation and everything is going through the body, so that I'm able to eliminate waste, but also keep that skin nice, smooth, and supple. And on top of that, you can also do your own facial massages weekly. Of course, you want to stay hydrated with water. I drink about a gallon a day. And also, regulating the temperature of water that you use can help with that blood circulation and flow. I don't use super hot water. I don't use super cold water. I go with lukewarm water, which is good enough to really keep the body cleansed, but also keep that blood flow glowing. So I hope today's video has been helpful to you guys, and that you've learned just some of these weird but affordable ways to really keep your skin on point. These have really helped me to level up, and though they're things that we don't often think about and they might seem to be common sense, sometimes we forget to do them. So make sure that you comment, share this video with someone who can use it, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Beautiful brown baby doll. Peace. Special thanks to Jason Bowie of Trinity Media Solutions for co-producing and filming today's video. His information can be found down below in the information section. Thanks so much for all the love and support over on my new website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check it out and join me for new ways to interact with me, giveaways and prizes, weekly emails, as well as my free 8-day supernatural video course, which is free when you sign up.